a room full of dancing joy when I entered. It's amazing. Thank you, whoever it is, has given us this wonderful day. In Indian dance, we always start by saying a greetings to dance. That is just to familiarize with the space around us. Now touch the floor with your hands or look at it and draw the energy from there and touch your eyes. Now open your eyes to see the beautiful world around you. Happiness is everywhere. You just have to look for it. Your eyes should follow your hands. This whole life is about this deep connection. The connection between ourselves and something beyond us. The English translation says, "Make the depth of my heart bloom, O deeper than deep. Make me pure, make me shining and beautiful. Make me awake, alert and fearless. Make me whole, active and dauntless." A special friend of mine, William Radici, he translated it for me. You can just have the hands here and make it bloom. Make the depths of my heart bloom, go deeper than deep. It says, make me pure, make me shining, make me beautiful. This lotus represents an interesting concept. It grows in water, but it doesn't get wet. Symbol of purity as well. Push the water away and the flower to grow bigger. And as you push, you move your hips as well, going the same way. And then you can use your neck, your eyes, everything, then it will become more of a dance and go deeper to push it. And then think of that large movement. And then you stop, whoever is in front of you, you make the flower stop. This enormous presence is connecting with this little me.
Can I thank SHANTHA and Bisakha for what they've done before?
I loved how relaxing it was. It made me feel really cheery as well.
The concept of watching your hands and telling the story is a new concept to me, and I love it. I'm going to definitely use it in future in my practice. Thank you.
I love the warm energy of the dance.
Beautiful blooming heart. Thank you. Namaste.
Eyes and emotion. I love it. 2 words. I like it. Hello. Heartwarming.
Joyous, thank you.
My word is inspiring.
I like that. This was just beautiful.
Freeing.
Therapeutic.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Dancing, there's some connection with our place on the earth. I feel so good having done that. A big thank you to Bisakha and to SHANTHA for making this happen.
I thought your workshop was absolutely lovely, and everyone that joined in really had a good time, and it was fabulous to see so many people here who don't normally come to the group as well as the group. So thank you, and it's just been brilliant, amazing, and also it's helped people get together, brought people together that wouldn't normally be together. So thank you.
Bisakha, it was a great joy for me watching you share your dance, especially the poem by Rabindranath Tagore and its beautiful message. Everybody enjoyed it. Thank you.
SHANTHA, I cannot thank you enough for this morning's workshop in Hebden.
This has been my dream, to share the joy of Indian dance with everyone, wherever they are. Thank you. Namaskar.